Changing your location can be done with the help of a well-developed solution. With a positive track record, only a few methods out there have proven to not leave users hanging in the process. Luckily, we know which ones. Keep reading to find out the 411 on them. Part 2. How to change country in Google Play Store on Android. Below is how to change country in Google Play Store on Android. On your Android device, open the Google Play Store app. Click on Menu, click subsequently on Settings, General, and then Accounts and Device Preferences. From the Settings tab, find and click on Country and Profiles. Click on the desired country. Follow instructions in order to set up payment method for the country switching to take effect. Part 3. How to change Google Play Store country on desktop. On your desktop, go to Google Play Store and click on Settings. Click on Payments, and then click on the pencil icon. Click on Create a new profile, and follow the instructions that follow. Part 4. How to change region of Google Play Store via VPN. Install and launch NordVPN. Connect to the adequate server. Open Google Play Store and select App to download. Once the app is installed, you can disconnect from the VPN. Part 5. The most effective way to fake location on iOS and Android. Using a VPN is expensive, and the connecting process is time-consuming. Therefore, we sincerely recommend you to use Virtual Location Tool to fake your location on Android or iPhone.